welcome back to Maxie's Corner. I'm Maxie's Bebe, my sister. Today we're gonna open up some confetti pop. Woo! Confetti pop. Sorry. Okay. Now, before we start this, wait. If you want us to open this, please subscribe. Okay. Now, we're gonna open it, but we're gonna have a race. Yeah. Okay? Ready? Get set, go! What? Yes. What are you thinking about? You cannot open that. What? It's the message.
What's in the message, Achi? What's in the message? Show it here in the camera.
It is rain or shine. Rain or shine. Is that your first LOL? This one. There's a mystery.
How long did you wait for that?
4,000 years.
4,000 years.
I'm waiting for this the whole day.
Whole day only?
I've been waiting for this a lot of days. When I saw it in... I don't know why the mouse like this. Oh yeah, for the confetti. Auntie, can you get this? Seriously, you know how to get tape. Do you know how to?
What's your accessory?
No, it's not an accessory. It's a tattoo.
Oh.
Tattoo. You put it around your it's like you have a ring.
Show to the camera. Okay.
Blah 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 blah. Oh, I see the ribbon. Pop the confetti.
Okay.
Okay, here's the shoes. I know I got the wrong. I know who I got. I don't have it on here. She's dark, and she loves to move. Okay, come on now. Hop. Oh, so cute. This is shoes. I can't pull the ribbon. Let's get all the surprise. Okay. Actually, I also get a pink ball. Yeah, I know.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Why do I always break the parts? Wait, it's already color change. This looks like
Show the doll.
Okay, it's already color changed. But I'm not sure what's gonna happen because it's kind of weird. It's already color changed. But I'm still gonna put on her dress.
How about Margot? You finish opening?
No.
No.
Look,
Show them what you get, Achi.
see, she's all black, but her hair's blonde, and then also her pants are blue, but it's black. This is the difference, and her eyes are green, but see, it's round. That's kind of weird. I think I really wanted.
What you got, Bebe?
What final is that?
Show them what you got.
Guys, but don't tell her. I know what she got. Oh, what? Wait. I know what I get. This one. She's also already color changed. See the difference? Look, she already has clothes. Look, 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 look. You see the difference? Difference. Yeah, I don't know that. Ah!
I love confetti.
And I don't like it. That's it. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video.